Welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today I am sharing a rich traditional sweet treat that melts in your mouth, Suji Besan Halwa. This halwa is a must try for festivals and family gatherings. In a pan, heat half cup of ghee. Add 1.5 cup of besan or gram flour. Use fresh ghee for the best aroma and taste. This halwa is a fusion of two classic, besan halwa and Suji halwa. This sweet is often served during pujas and Diwali. Roast it gently on low heat. The slow roasting process gives it a deep, nutty aroma that's irresistible. Stirring continuously. Stir continuously to get a lump-free, silky texture. Roast for 7 to 8 minutes until it turns aromatic and golden. Then add 1/4 cup of Suji or Semolina. Roast again for 5 to 6 minutes until everything is fragrant and well blended. Always roast on low heat to avoid burning the besan or Suji. Now add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it all well to a smooth, rich texture. Adding cardamom enhances the traditional festive flavor. Besan is protein-rich and naturally gluten-free. Suji is light on the stomach and easy to digest. Ghee contains healthy fats that support digestion and immunity. Cardamom not only adds flavor but also aids in digestion and freshen breath. Pour this mixture into an oil-grease plate lined with baking paper. Spread it evenly and top it with your favorite dry fruits. Let it set for 1 hour. Then cut it into pieces and enjoy this homemade delight. Let it set properly before cutting to get clean, neat pieces. How tempting does that look? Suji Besan Halwa is a wonderful homemade sweet you can prepare in under an hour. Tried this recipe or planning to? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more delightful recipes. And tell us which sweet recipe should we make next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.